Alright, so the ingredients you're gonna need, like I said, you're gonna need 6 conch, 1 yellow onion, 1 whole green and red pepper, but I'm using a little bit of half and half there. 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. These are hot Caribbean peppers. You can use habanero peppers if you can't get a hold of them. 3 eggs, a tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 cup of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and some milk to get the consistency right. All right, so you want to just dice up all your peppers and your onions. It's easier if you have a food processor to chop everything up. Alright, so with these Scotch bonnet peppers, you want to make sure to de-seed them before you put them in, or else your mouth's going to be on fire. These are not your average jalapenos. Add your peppers and onions into the bowl. Add your conch to your food processor. You want it to be chopped up nice. You don't have to. If you want to chop it up by hand, you can do that as well. Just take a little more time. Add your processed conch. You want to add the rest of your ingredients. Cup of flour, tablespoon of baking powder, tablespoon of Old Spice, 3 eggs, all this together before you add any milk or cream. You can also use half and half. And then you want to add just a little bit of milk. You want the consistency to be soft and firm so that the paste holds together well. That's about all that we may need, is just that little splash. But just keep adding as you go, little by little. You can always add more, you can never take out. That looks about right there. Next we go to the fryer. Alright, so now we're out in the fryer. I put about a cup of coconut oil, and then the rest I'm going to fill with vegetable oil. Put it at 365. Let it heat up, and then you're ready to fry them up. We're out here getting ready to fry. What I do is I take a little ice cream scoop, spray a little bit of oil on there so it doesn't stick. You just want like golf ball size things and just drop them in. We're going to fry them until they're golden brown. Sit there for a minute. Check them in a bit. Alright, those look about good. Set them in our paper towels, let them dry off there, cool down for a little bit. Start on our next ones. Alright, so we got some done. We still got some more to cook. Got a little dipping sauce there. All it is ketchup, mayo, black pepper, and some Scotch bonnet sauce. Alright, Javi. Do the honors. Careful, it might be hot.
So good. So good, dude.
Comment below, let me know how the recipe worked out for you guys. Thank you for watching.